Jacques-Joseph Tissot was born 15th of October 1836, died 8th of August 1902, better known as James Tissot, was a French painter, illustrator, and caricaturist. He was born to a drapery merchant and a milliner and decided to pursue a career in art at a young age, coming to incorporate elements of realism, early Impressionism, and academic art into his work. He is best known for a variety of genre paintings of contemporary European high society produced during the peak of his career, which focused on the people and women's fashion of the Belle Epoque and Victorian England. But he would also explore many medieval, biblical, and Japanist subjects throughout his life. His career included work as a caricaturist for Vanity Fair under the pseudonym of Coed. Tissot served in the Franco-Prussian War on the side of France and later the Paris Commune before moving to London in 1871. Where he would find further success as an artist as well as meet Irishwoman Kathleen Newton, who came to live with him as a close companion and muse until her death in 1882. Tissot maintained close relations with the Impressionist movement for much of his life, including James Abbott Whistler and friend and mentee Edgar Degas. He was awarded the French Legion of Honor in 1894. In 1859, Tissot exhibited in the Paris Salon for the first time. He showed 5 paintings of scenes from the Middle Ages, many depicting scenes from Goethe's Faust. These works show the influence in his work of the Belgian painter Henri Lees, whom Tissot had met in Antwerp earlier that same year. Other influences include the works of the German painters Peter von Cornelius and Moritz Retzsch. After Tissot had first exhibited at the Salon and before he had been awarded a medal, the French government paid 5,000 francs for his depiction of the meeting of Faust and Marguerite in 1860. The painting went on to be exhibited at the Salon the following year, together with a portrait and several other paintings.